Hello everyone. Beginning with the new topic today, let us try and understand the importance of programming languages. Well, as we talked in earlier videos, we can define a programming language as a formal computer language designed to create programs in order to control the behavior of a machine or to express algorithms. Let us understand this using an example. Suppose you want to talk with your friend who is far away from you. What would you do? There are various alternatives that you can choose from depending on personal needs and urgency of the matter. For example, you can decide to use a writing pad to write a letter, or you can use a mobile phone to make a phone call. Another option is that you can use a laptop or a computer to send an email. This brings us to another interesting question. How do these devices work in order to achieve the task intended? Well, the answer is very simple. Basically, instructions are given to these devices. By definition, an instruction is a code that tells a computer to perform a particular task. These instructions direct the computer the order in which to execute a particular task. You have to keep in mind that a set of computer instructions make up a program, and a program or set of programs makes up a software. And all these softwares are created using programming languages like C, C++, or Java. Now that we have seen that programming languages are required to develop a software, so learning programming is essential and is of great importance. Additional benefits to learn programming languages may include: first is, programming languages gives the ability to effectively communicate ideas. Each language has an expressive power of vocabulary with which we can express our ideas. Without language, it would be difficult for human beings to conceptualize thoughts verbally or in a writing. Second is, familiar to the diverse set of PL available, the programmers may select a language that suits better to develop new projects, rather than selecting those languages that are poorly suited to the application domain. Programmer to choose an appropriate programming language. As many languages you gain knowledge of, more is the understanding of languages concept. So, it provides ability to develop new programming languages. To further understand more about programming languages, let's look at a live example. Suppose we were to choose a suitable place to grow a tree. The choice of the place will depend on the following factors. First is soil structure. Second is water. Third is environment, and many more. Similarly, programming languages also have some parameters to check for their appropriateness before the actual implementation. These parameters include: first and foremost is readability. Readability basically means that the code is easily read by the programmers. Second is simplicity, which means that language was developed in an easy way, so that less errors are bound to be made by the users. Third is support for abstraction. Basically, abstraction enables programmers to represent essential details or features without including background details or explanations. These features enable programmers to create user-defined data structures. Fourth is program verification. This involves checking the correctness of the program. And fifth is type checking. This refers to a type checking mechanism at compile or runtime. And the last is exception handling. This refers to an error handling mechanism. Thus, based on these certain parameters, programming languages help in the development of all types of softwares and thus make it easy for us to work, connect, and build new applications to use. Thank you.